All right, so what I've got here is the CR10S conversion. This is the dual Z setup, where I've got it converted to a Prusa style mechanic. What I have is a pair of 12 millimeter Y axis setup, and I've got the 8 millimeter X and Z rod setup. In the kit includes the mount for the 12 millimeter rods, the idler, the Y idler, the Y motor mount. Get the Z motor mounts for a dual setup for the top and bottom. Everything that's needed. On the back side, you'll get a routing setup for the cabling bundle coming off your extruder. That extruder body, and the X assembly, where you've got your X motor and the X idler and the extruder. Those you'll print yourself, and I'll provide links to those in the description below. Underneath, I've got a box that I offer for a free download. I'm running a Duet Wi-Fi, but I do offer for free the same box and the setup for it with the adapter plate for the Creality version 2 controller board. So that mounts directly to the frame. Also have on the side here a mount that you can go directly with mounting a 24 volt power supply to the frame, and with that you can use the components in your Creality power supply box, the plug and the on-off switch. They're designed, or this box is directly designed to accommodate those components, so you can recycle those into this. I'm also running a like I'd mentioned, a 24 volt power supply. I'll provide links to that exact one so that it fits the case and the lid. In conjunction with that, I'm running a 750 watt AC Canovo heated bed, silicone heated bed component, and that's powered by SSR, which makes things really nice. And you can see, I'll just shut up for just a minute and let this run for a little while, and you can get an idea just how quiet it is. You can see it's really quiet. Now I've got this also lifted up on standoffs so that we've removed completely the need for tensioning nuts with springs, which are always an ongoing problem with this type of Cartesian setup. So having your bed firmly mounted in the Prusa tradition is going to eliminate lots of problems. It's going to allow you just to basically load up a file and print. In conjunction with auto bed leveling, BL Touch makes a very nice addition. And with that extruder style, it easily accommodates a BL Touch. The extruder and the the X motor mount and X idler, those are available from Prusa Direct, and I'll have a link for those and assembly instructions on that extruder body. Very easy to do. All the stepper motors are carryovers from the Creality, just migrated into the new parts. So I'll put all the links for everything you need in the description below. I'll let this run and let you have a listen at it. All right, that'll wrap it up. Talk to you guys, gals later. Bye-bye.